In this tutorial, I'll show you how to render this man and woman figurine image in 8 minutes. Let's select the default cube and press Tab to go to edit mode. Right-click and type S to subdivide. Press Shift, Alt, and S together and move the mouse cursor to round it up like this. Type 3 to face select, and Shift select the 4 bottom faces. Type I as in India to extrude inward. E to extrude. Type 1 to vertex select and type S, Z, and 0 to align them on the Z axis. We could scale the selected faces on the X axis, or extrude once more and scale. I typed S and X to scale on the X axis. Let's extrude a few more times. Ctrl 3 to subdivide and Ctrl R to place a loop cut near the bottom edge loop. Right-click to shade smooth. The original art looked like this, and a woman looked the same. But I have decided to add a hair and breasts because one of the visitors who saw the render preview suggested the woman figurine looked like a boy. In edit mode, Shift Z to wireframe view. Let's select the upper head faces like this and Shift D to duplicate. Now we have a hairpiece. In edit mode, we need to separate this mesh by typing P. Let's solidify the mesh. We need to apply the solidify modifier. I'll select and extrude some of the faces like this. Let's select both meshes, and move them upward so that their bottom is aligned with the world center. Let's move the origin to the 3D cursor, so we can freely scale the mesh like this. Let's duplicate the body mesh to create a woman figurine. Before we do that, I'll select the outer vertices and move them forward proportionally. I'll duplicate this mesh to create a woman figurine. I'll create a breast by extruding the chest part. S, Y, and 0 to align them on the Y axis. Now we have a woman figurine. Let's name the meshes properly. After that, we need to scale the meshes and rotate them. I'll create a ground plane and set up the render scene. I'll be using a PBR set of marble images. I'll share the download link in the description below. Select the BSDF node, and press Ctrl, Shift, and T together to add the PBR images. If that doesn't work for you, please activate an add-on called Node Wrangler. In edit mode, type A to select all, U to Smart UV project. I'll add a random metallic material for the ground. I'll use the sky texture. I'll turn off Use Nodes under Compositing and render the scene. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.